As of today, January 19, 2025, the inauguration of Donald Trump as the 47th President of the United States has not yet taken place. The ceremony is scheduled for tomorrow, January 20, 2025 due to anticipated cold weather. The ceremony will take place inside the Capitol Rotunda. The program includes musical performances by Carrie Underwood, Christopher Macchio, and Lee Greenwood. Traditional events, such as the service at St. John's Church, tea at the White House, and the signing of key documents, will also take place. Former President Joe Biden and his wife, Jill Biden, are expected to attend, although some notable figures, including Michelle Obama and Nancy Pelosi, are not planning to be present. Today, January 19th, Donald Trump, along with his wife Melania and their family, arrived in Washington, D.C. to participate in pre-inauguration events. These include a wreath-laying ceremony at Arlington National Cemetery and the Make America Great Again victory rally at the Capital One Arena. Tomorrow, January 20th, after taking the oath of office, Donald Trump will officially become the 47th President of the United States. What do you think will change?